Yeah, they can't fly.
There's a session at 11 to 12,
This is
1 to 2, and 4
Raptor
to
Care.
5. And there's things
I followed this falconer for a long time.
and
Those three are Harris hawks. They're native to
Why is open one eye?
North America and I think Central and South America. They're very unique among birds of prey because, unlike most birds of prey that tend to be solitary, Harris hawks work as a team. They're pack hunting wolves of the sky. That right there is a European eagle owl. This is one of the largest owls in the world. When I was a kid, I was always terrified of eagle owls. I don't know why. I think it was just the way they always looked angry. Right there are a tawny owl and a kestrel, both native to Britain. I've seen kestrels many times. I've never seen a tawny owl properly. I've heard them. There's one that lives near me, keeps me up most nights. Those are beautiful birds. Harris hawks I've always found very fascinating since I was a little kid. Those ferocious talons. Because if you were a rabbit in the deserts of Arizona and you were being chased by not just one Harris hawk but 3 or 5, and you saw those talons coming at your face, that would be the last thing you ever see. Those eagle owls, they don't just take mice, they also hunt. Eagle owls also hunt foxes, rabbits, and even things as big as deer. They will also take other birds of prey. Yeah, they'll also take other birds of prey, like falcons, other owls, or hawks, pretty much anything they can take. See him looking at me and thinking, are you talking about me? Yes, I am.
Oh, so you only got one? No, you can share them. So you both got 2 each. It's fair. Well, you got 2.
Lovely. 133 kilos. Oh, for the big boy, that's